It's closing time.
This
Hello.
is Ileana.
It's our title group right here. And what do you guys do with the title company?
We make
close your
dreams
deal.
come true.
There you go. I love it. Word to the fans.
Hi there. Closing experience. I mean, it was quick, easy.
It was quick.
So it's closing day. You got your keys. You got your car. You're really excited, right?
I am.
Okay, cool. All right, but tell us how we got to this point. What happened that changed your life completely?
Okay. Well, so I've worked like 12 different jobs throughout my whole life, and I went to get a real estate license, and I met JR through the KBC program that Kai's offers, and you know, we stayed in touch, and full-time job in my eyes, and I got into an unfortunate accident where, you know, I was severely injured. I got my house.
How is your condition now?
I'm feeling better. I'm recovering. I've recovered very well, and now I just have to maintain physical exercise in order to keep my back from hurting. Because I had a couple surgeries done. I had a colectomy and a hernia mesh repair, and some nerve damage here on my thigh,
Okay.
and the L4 fracture in my back. So it was like a compression thing, so it healed up rather quickly. I got a job at Tire Kingdom, worked there for a few months, and that was my physical exercise, changing tires, changing oil. And once I quit my job, I found that within a week the pain started coming back, so I had to keep doing physical exercise.
But most importantly, you're still alive.
Yeah, that's
Still alive. And we're not going to stop here. Now we're working on finding you a business location, right?
Yes.
Right. Okay. So we have some things in the works. Perfect. Perfect. All right, Felipe.
Thank you very much, JR.
All right.